Good evening and welcome back to another one of our weather videos where today we're not only talking about our average winter storm, but of course spring is coming, so you know what that means: supercells and probably property damage. We're first looking at our severe thunderstorm map. You can see that we currently have a pretty decent chance of hail, where our main threat is hail in this darker green and especially yellow area. So make sure to look out if you're in the northern/central area of Alabama and especially Mississippi, and maybe even a little bit of way northern Louisiana and way southern Arkansas. We're looking at this on the radar. You can see that just north of Birmingham, we currently have a severe supercell making its way towards Talladega. However you pronounce that, Talladega, I think it is. A severe thunderstorm is making its way there. And then we have a special weather advisory heading for Anniston, I'm pretty sure. So make sure to look out anywhere really along these lines of storms. And I think this bad boy supercell could cause a problem up here where it does have a pretty decent formation. But make sure to look at next, looking at our precipitation. Our first type of precipitation will be snow, where of course here in the Northeast we still haven't had enough with our 300 times as much snow as last year, so now we have to have more. We're looking at our chance of snow on March 3rd to March 4th. You can see that's actually pretty decent, where we certain areas get all the way up to 60%. How exciting! So make sure to be careful if you're in the mid-Atlantic or the Northeast, heck, maybe even in the Midwest. But then skipping ahead to our overall precipitation, which includes snow, but this will be like our snow to rainfall amounts. It's mainly going to be down here in the southeast where we're talking about these severe thunderstorms. So make sure to be careful, and maybe even in the dead central US and this like central western area. And of course, with that comes a risk of heavy precipitation March 5th to 11th, where according to the National Weather Service, we have a moderate risk of heavy precipitation all the way in this wide span of the central US, and a slight risk just bordering it, making sure that covers the entirety of the central US, because who doesn't want severe flooding?